expectations. I remember a quotation of Bruce Oldfield. Don't be limited by the expectations of others. You can always be better and do more. We may be lawyers, we may be doctors, we may be an ordinary person on the street selling certain goods and services. The question is how our customers perceive the quality of our service. There was a time when organizations were talking about customer satisfaction. But then came a time when the organizations were talking about customers' delight, and now we are living in an era of customer loyalty. A satisfied customer may be happy to receive your product. A delighted customer will be more than happy. A loyal customer comes to you again and again. Don't be judged by the gap between what you gave and what the customers wanted, but be judged by your own satisfaction level. Have you beaten your own expectations? I remember a very popular playback singer. One day I wanted to meet him to invite him for a function in my school. And his manager said that he's busy in recording and there is some problem and he's trying to set it right. I asked him what. He said a particular line he has performed more than 20 times. The music director is not happy. And so he is working hard at that. I was watching him. 25 times he recorded. And 26th time the music director cleared it. But the playback singer said he's not happy even with that. And then he did it the next time and then he was happy and that song was a masterpiece. Ask yourself, are you beating your own expectations? See you tomorrow.